I'm on it. I am on it. We have arrived, guys. Me and Darren.
We're at the honey hole.
At the honey hole. We are back at it, and we're gonna catch some big bass. It is midday right now, so it's like what, 12:30? We got our boots. Yeah, we're pushing one right now. Hopefully we can catch them though. It's hot, and as you can see, the grass is tall, so we're gonna wade through that to get to the fish. But maybe it'll be worth it. So stick around. Oh, there he is. I seen that one. Dude, that's a nice one. That's a solid, like, 2-pounder. Yeah, it's on camera. First one on the buzz. Hey, it's breaking the ice. It's the iceberg. You gotta give him a kiss. There it is. So bad. Woo, about went down. It came off then. Well, there's definitely no fish around that because I don't. Alright, Darren's got another one up on me. It's now 2-0. He's skunking me right now. Got a nice big old 1-pounder, we'll say. Or like 3/4 of a pound.
Yeah, 3 counters. Yeah.
That's big old chunk. Getting him on the buzz bait here. Let me see. That's what he's catching him on. Got the trailer hook. Time to catch up. Got him. Whoo! 1 to 2. Alright. It's like the last one you caught, 3/4. 1 to 2, guys. Gaining some ground now. Call me the comeback kid. Making a comeback. There we go, guys. Got one on the lizard. Now it's time to catch some more. Got him. Got him on the buzzbait. Man, I'm gonna have to swap up to something. You're wearing me out now. 3 to 1. Darren's got the lead still. That was a big splash.
Oh, dude. Kick that one down there, you might.
Still wearing him out on the buzzbait. Another 3/4. Got it. Oh no! No, he come off. Dude, that was a good one. That was a solid like 3-pounder. He's got another one. He's got another one. You're about to get me to swap up.
Just run it down the line.
You're killing me. You're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me.
You think I had to make up because the last 2 times we went, you wore me out.
Did I? I guess that's true. I guess I did win last time. Oh yeah. I forgot about that. Yeah, I did win that day. If we'd been in competition, I would have won that day. I'm thinking with my buzzbait. I mean, it's 6 to 1 now. Six to 1. Darren's kicking my butt still on the buzzbait. There he is! Boom! Got one on the board. Got 2 on my way comeback right here. I watched him eat it, dude. I was fishing him. Yeah. He's a little fish. On the lizard, right there, guys. He's like half a pound. Boom shakalaka. 3 to 6. Making my comeback. We're on our way back and they're getting smaller. Got him. Who? Hey, that's a 2-pounder. Nah, I take it back. He's a 1.5 pounds. Or a 1.25 pounds. Got him like lizard, guys. Making my comeback. 4 to 6. Got him just throwing down that bank. I seen some action going over there. I seen some splashing or waking. That they was trying to get some bait fish or something. That hurts. And kicked it over there and bam. There it is. Little fish on the lizard. Smoking them. Look how fat that fish is. Still got to catch up to Darren though. He's still beating me. What? What? That's a big crappie.
Oh my god! Are you?
Dude, that's like 14 inches. That's like almost a 2-pound crappie.
Holy shit!
That's solid 2 pounds.
Oh my!
Hold him over to the camera. Show him all.
Oh.
Dude, that's a solid crappie.
Dude, when I set the hook, I mean, normally bass fights hard, but this one just gave in. And I saw it flash, and I said, that's a crappie.
God, look how big he is.
Dude, he's going home with me. He's making grease.
That's nice, dude. Oh yeah. Stay down, baby. That's a solid one. Come on, come on! Woo! Making a comeback. Give me some. Ooh! Look at him. He absolutely choked that lizard, dude. Choked it. Like, hooked him right. Look, it almost went in his throat.
Oh, he bleeding bad.
Look at it. Hooked him right on top of the tongue.
Oh yeah.
He choked it. That's a solid 2, 2 1/4. We'll say 2 1/4. That puts me in the lead with big bass. Puts me in the lead with big bass.
Hey, with a thin
Hey, you
margin.
got some pliers on you?
I do not, honestly.
This fish is bleeding, guys. I'll get back with you. Darren has caught a snake, guys. He's caught a crappie, he's caught bass, and now he's caught a snake. Oh, she got off. Oh. Oh, man. That wasn't planned.
Bro.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Get him in. Bring him over the bush. Oh, that's a good one. There he is. That a bad one?
Hey, shout out to this baby.
Got a D-bomb on. What is that, 8 to 5? Score ain't 8 to 5?
Yeah, something like that.
Still kicking my butt. I tried to make a comeback for a little bit. It's hot, guys. It is hot. Scorching. It's so humid. It's like walking through that tall grass. It like takes your breath away. But what turned out for me and Darren just to be a fun day of fishing turned into a friendly competition, tournament fishing. Darren kicked my butt. He had 8.
Yeah.
Caught like, why didn't you catch the buzzbait? Like 5?
Yeah.
He started early on me, like wearing me out in the buzzbait, caught 5 and jumped up on me like 5 to 1. And I was throwing a Texas rig with lizard, made a comeback. It was like 5 to 4. And then he caught 3 more on
The missile D-bomb.
missile D-bomb.
Yeah.
And a big crappie, and he caught a snake. Then we seen another huge snake.
Oh, by the way, guys, the crappie is like, for real, it's a man-sized crappie. It's huge.
Like it was like all of like width-wise in my hand.
Yeah.
But Darren got the best of me today, guys. He won. So it's like tied up right now, 1-1 in the series here.
Hey, it's friendly competition. That's all it is.
I'll get him next time. TnToutdoors2, I'm out.